Peppadews are one of my favorite things to eat, and it's so easy to make. I'm harvesting my own peppadews. You can also use jalapenos. Try and get one that is not very strong. That will work best. Cut them through the middle and remove all the seeds. Then you want to rub them with salt and leave them in the fridge for half a day or so. So it's the next day and the peppadews have been over 12 hours in the fridge. This is all the excess liquid that's been extracted from the peppadews. With that liquid extracted, the peppadews will be a lot crunchier and absorb the pickling brine a lot quicker. Next, you'll rinse off those peppadews to get rid of the excess salt, and now we'll start with the brine. I'm not giving exact measurements because this will depend on the amount of peppadews you have, but I will be giving the ratios of the ingredients that's needed. Ideally, you'd want raw ginger, but I just had ginger powder. I also didn't have fennel seeds, so I had to use from my fennel seeds I got at the seed swap. Shukran on to Shireen. Please check her out on Instagram, Grow with Granny. You can let your brine simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, and then for 1 minute add your peppadews. Don't let the peppadews simmer for too long, otherwise they'll lose their crunchiness. If I wanted to preserve these peppadews over multiple months, I would use a better bottling method. But because I know I'm going to finish this within a week or two, you can use any glass jar, pour the brine into the glass jar and stick it in the fridge when the brine is cool. This tasted so amazing, and peppadews from the shop can be so expensive, so I'm glad I could make this from my own garden.